It is our pleasure to unveil to you and to all fans and well-wishers of Mahia the 2021-2022 season jerseys, courtesy of our sponsors BetSafe. They did unveil earlier on the jerseys at their ceremony. So I believe through our social media platforms you had seen them. This is now the official release of the two colors which will be on sale to our members and fans and well-wishers from now. On my right is the home color, our usual green, and on my left is the away color of white with the green sleeves. Once again, the kits have been sourced from Macron. Quality, as usual, is pretty high, and we will begin using the jerseys from Sunday, the 16th of January 2026, when Kogalo takes on Talanta in the Kenyan Premier League match at Kasarani Main Stadium from 3 p.m. And so I would urge as many members as possible to buy themselves a jersey and wear it when attending the match. Even those who are not able to attend the match, to wear it as you cheer from wherever you will be, in your house, in a social place. But buy yourself one, wear one. The jerseys will be sold. We will not sell them. We will not have a shop, but they will be sold from our offices. And so payment will be strictly by M-Pesa to our account, M-Pesa account, the paybill number 350-100. Paybill number 350-100. Send, the cost is 2,000 shillings. That 2,000 shillings will be inclusive of delivery. So once you pay 2,000 shillings to 350-100, they will be delivered at the location that you tell us, as long as it is within Kenya. For those in the western part of Kenya, delivery mode will most likely be Easy Coach, and if you are to the east of Nairobi, we will inform you the mode of delivery, the delivery company. Thank you very much.